This morning we are going to unveil or unbox my sewing box. There it is on my computer, and I always watch my computer through my TV, so if you put my sewing box in your computer you'll get this up. Good morning again. There you go, there's mine. This come at the beginning of December. I haven't had time to do a video on it because I was doing other things. It's called My Sewing Box and they're from Bournemouth in England. Now I do the £15 a month subscription, and I think you can get, there are different levels, different monies, and I think there's also different project, they're called project boxes or subscription boxes. So if you go onto the My Sewing Box channel, you'll be able to have a look for yourself whether you wish to partake in this. This is my first one, so I'm really excited. So I'm going to change the camera angle and put you down to the box as I open it. And here we go. This is the first one I've ever had like this. I just thought, this is one of the cheapest ones, the £15. I just wondered what you got. I think I asked for the quilting one. I think you can get crochet, knitting, etc, etc. So let's see. Have a nice surprise. There you go, it's my sewing box. See how we're getting, shall we? Put this little tape at the back. And there you go. And it says, thank you for your order. Dear Kay, welcome to our subscription box club. We hope you love your first box. Amy and Angela. Amy and Angela, I hope too. But there you go. So, lovely Liberty Art fabrics. Ooh. So I wonder what project we've got this time. Right, it's a tissue holder pattern. And I've got a zip. So you get, right, so, okay then, so you get your pattern, which this one is a zipper, a tissue holder, but this has got a different, because this has got a zip in it, and I've never done a tissue holder with a zip, so that's different. So that's one. There's my zip. This one's blue. Now blue's not my favourite colour, but you can always make this and gift it to somebody. You get the cotton. And you do get some Liberty, this is obviously Liberty fabric, some beautiful colours, there you go. And I should imagine you've got scraps left over. I don't know how many it makes, but we'll see, because we're going to make it. There you go, some yellow, blue and some cream. So there's the four fabrics. There you go. Oh, look at the cotton. The zip, cotton, and the pattern. So let's continue and see what happens. Well, there you go. That all took me about 15 minutes, and I've actually made it in these colours. And the yellow is my lining. It's just a little tissue holder, there's no zip. I have still got all this left over, and I've got a zip in cotton. I used white, I didn't use their blue. I'm confused, why have they put a zip in and cotton, and I've only got this pattern for a tissue. There's nothing else in here, so I'm going to email them, because whether they think we could use it for another project. What I'll probably do now is make a little makeup bag to match this, and that way then I can use the zip and their blue cotton. But I will email just to clarify that I'm not missing a pattern or something. There you go, little tissue holder, didn't take 5 minutes. So first ones, I don't like blue, I could give that as a present to somebody. I can make many more different colourways, because I've got 4 different colour fabrics. You can use ours an outside one, but I'll probably use it as a lining for one of them. But no, I think I'll make a makeup bag to match this, using the zip, and then I can give it as a Christmas present to somebody. So there you go, that's my first sewing box.